Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Bluetooth drivers in Windows 11. So in order for us to get this done, we're going to go ahead and proceed to Google, and here just go ahead and try Bluetooth driver Windows 11. And yeah, you have here Intel if you're using Intel. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one. And yeah, here available downloads. This is the first thing that you're going to see, and this is also the latest version. So I'm just going to click this one. I accept the terms, and you can see that now it is being downloaded. So you can go over and click on that one, click yes, and we're just going to wait for this to be done installing in our PC. All right, once you see this pop up, click next, and you can see that it now is working. All right, click next once again. Accept the terms next, and click complete, install, and it's just a waiting game for now. All right, so now you can see that this is done. Click finish and then head over to your settings, and you should be able to see here Bluetooth and devices. So yeah, here you should be able to see your Bluetooth. Just go ahead and enable it by clicking this one right here or toggling this button, and you are good to go. Again, everybody, that's the easiest way for us to install Bluetooth here in our Windows PC.